How to recover your Instagram Edits account. Instagram Edits account recovery tutorial. Now, if you forgot your Instagram Edits account, you don't actually recover your Edits account because edits just come from Instagram itself. But if you forgot the password for your Instagram, then what you do is you actually reset the password for Instagram. Now, you can either open up your Instagram app or you can go to instagram.com and go to the login page. And here you can tap on this option that says forgotten password and select it. Now, here you can simply enter the phone number associated with your account, or you can search by email address or username. Then you can tap on continue. Then after you've done that, you'll be taken to the next page where you can verify that you are the owner of the account. So it says we'll send you a code, so you can tap on the continue button and wait until you have received the code in this case. So just wait until that. So basically, once you've entered the code, you can tap on continue and you can simply set a new password without having to remember your old password. This way you can recover your Instagram edits, or in a nutshell, your Instagram account itself. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.